Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to make traditional recipe whole egg fry. Please boiled eggs 5 channel. Things needed: roasted chana dal half cup, dry red chillies 4 to 5, garlic cloves 4 to 5, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, tamarind 2 inch, salt as per taste, oil and coriander leaves. For making roasted chana dal masala, grind all the below ingredients: roasted chana dal half cup, garlic cloves 4 to 5, deep fried red chillies 4 to 5, salt as per taste, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and tamarind. Add oil in a hot pan, then add boiled eggs to it. Fry it on low flame by mixing it. Now add 3 pinch salt and fry it again. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder and mix it well. Immediately add the prepared chana dal masala. Mix it well and finally add chopped coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.